Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to analyze or trade synthetic indices on TradingView. If you have been looking to trade synthetic indices on this normal TradingView, which is tradingview.com, I'm sorry to tell you that you may not be able to trade synthetic indices there because the only instrument that is allowed to trade on this platform is currency pay, stock, some cryptos. But if you want to trade synthetic indices, if you like trading synthetic indices and you want to do your analysis on a trading view interface, you need to use another platform called Deriv TradingView. As you can see, I've opened the website, which is the TradingView interface for trading synthetic indices. In case you want to have access to this platform, I've included a link to this platform in the description of this video. Once you go to the description, it's going to be the first or second link that you will see. You can click on it and you'll be brought to a platform that looks like this. Now, let me introduce this platform properly for you. This platform is a TradingView interface developed by Deriv, which is the broker which offers most of the synthetic indices. So Deriv personally developed this TradingView interface so that you can have the same experience that you have when analyzing currency pair with this TradingView platform. Inside this Deriv TradingView, we will gain access to most of the technical analysis tools that you use to do your analysis, normal TradingView. So as you can see, they have different analysis tools like trend line, um, Fib channel, Fibonacci retracement. I'm going to basically walk you through some of these instruments and then show you how you can start analyzing synthetic indices right on this platform. Now, before going forward, I need to remind you that unlike in normal trading view, which you can connect your broker account, you can't connect your derivative account to this platform and you can place order from this trading view interface. If you are new to synthetic indices trading, you need to first of all sign up with Deriv. So I've included a link to Deriv sign up page in the description below. I believe it's going to be the first link you will see. So if you are entirely new to synthetic indices trading, you need to first of all sign up with Deriv. Once you click on the link, you'll be taken to Deriv sign up page. So I've also made a video on how to sign up with Deriv and verify your account. I'll also leave a link to the video on the description below. So if you are new and you have not signed up, visit the description, check out the link, sign up. After signing up, you connect your account to MT5 so that after doing your technical analysis on this platform, you can go ahead on MT5 and execute your order. You can't execute your order from this Deriv Trading View platform. So having said that, let's go ahead. So when you come to this Deriv Trading View platform, the first thing you need to learn is how to change or how to select the instrument that you want to analyze. As you can see by default, mine is on volatility 100 index. Let me refresh the page and see if it will take me to the default, which is volatility 25 index. Because when you click on the link in the description below, on the page is going to take you to volatility 25 index will be selected by default. And in case you want to analyze another instrument, you need to switch from this volatility 25 index to that particular instrument. So the first thing you need to learn is how to change the instrument that you want to analyze. As you can see, once I hover over it, it's telling me change symbol. So I'm going to click on it to change the symbol. As you can see, when I click on it, it will highlight it. So by default, this volatility 25 index is selected. So I need to change to other instruments. As you can see, once I clean it, it will bring in more options. I have options like volatility 100 index, volatility 75 index, volatility 50 index, and the rest. So aside from synthetic indices, which derive called derived indices, you can also analyze forex, which is currency pair, stock indices, commodities, and cryptocurrency. But because the topic of this video is how to trade or analyze synthetic indices on TradingView, I'm going to focus on these derived indices. But in case you want to analyze forex pairs, you can switch to forex and clean up this and you will see different currency pair here. You can select any of them and start analyzing it. You can also select stock from here, commodities, cryptocurrency. But I will move back to derived indices because this is what we want to discuss on this video. So, in order for you to look for any synthetic indices instrument, you first of all clean up the R25, which is volatility 75 index, which is selected by default. Once you clean it up, you will see that you now have the list of different synthetic indices here. So let's say I want to analyze volatility 75 index. I will search for it. This is volatility 75 index. I will select it and the chart will be loaded right here on my page. So after selecting the specific instrument that I want to analyze, the next thing is for you to use the technical analysis platform. So whatever you do here, remember to save your chart. If you want to save whatever, like if I draw trend line, I can save my chart so that whenever I refresh this page, I won't lose the analysis or the line that I've drawn. If you want to save your chart, you can click here to save it. If you click the drop down, you will see different options: save chart layout or load a saved one. So I will start by first of all adding or starting the tools that I normally use to do my technical analysis. So let's start with this one. I like this cursor, so I don't need to change it to any of these. So I'll leave it. Then from here, I need to add some of the tools that I use in my technical analysis to my favorite. So I'll add this to favorite. I'll go again. Sorry, I'll go again from here. I don't normally use this. You guys know the one that you like in your technical analysis. I normally make use of this, so I'll add it. I'll add this one. I'll add this one as well. I don't use parallel channel. I don't use any of this. So I will move to the next one, which is Fibonacci. I normally use Fibonacci retracement. So I don't use any of this. I don't make use of any other one here. So I will move to the next one, which is okay. I don't make use of any one here. So I'm going to skip this. I'll move to this position to I'll add long position and short position. So I'll look for other ones. There's no other one that I make use of here. So I will move to this one. Sometimes I make use of brush. I make use of arrow marker. So I make use of triangle. I make use of parts sometimes. I make use of ellipse. So from here you can add or start the tools that you normally use. I also do use this one. So uh basically, this from here you can hover over it and add most of the tools that you normally use to do analysis, so that you won't have to be going there whenever you need them. Like I've added them here, I can easily pick a trend line, draw it, pick another one, draw it. So after doing this, the next thing for you to do is to start your technical analysis. Now, this particular video is not to show you how to do a technical analysis. It's not a course on technical analysis. I just want to show you how you can do the same technical analysis that you do on TradingView right here on synthetic indices. So after adding all these to your favorites, the next thing is for you to start your technical analysis. Now, if you're a type that like trading with indicators, you can gain access to indicators from here. So once you click on it, you can search for any indicator of your choice and check if it is being provided by this platform. But me personally, I don't like using trading with indicators. I'm a pure price action trader. So I don't normally make use of crypto. But I understand that some of my viewers also combine indicators in their trading analysis or decision. So in case you are that person, you can search for any indicator here and make use of it. So that's it for that one. Let's look at other things. So the next thing is now to conduct your technical analysis. and execute your order. Okay, let me do technical analysis on volatility 25 index for instance. So I'll show you how to conduct your analysis. Save your chart so that anytime you want to gain access back to their chart, the way you did the technical analysis, you can always do that. If you didn't save your chart, you won't be able to have access to your technical analysis or your drawing. Once you reload the page, all the analysis that you have done will be lost. So this is the chart of volatility 25 index. And just like I said before, I'm a pure price action trader. So I always do first conduct my top down analysis. So I normally start from 24 hours time frame or from daily time frame. So I'll make sure it's selected first. Then the next thing is for me to identify the market trend. So from here, or from a quick view of this chart, you can notice that it is an uptrend. To confirm again, you can use the trend line and draw from here to the extreme. So as you can see, this market is an uptrend. So as a pure price action trader, I normally conduct my top down analysis first. So from this top analysis, I've seen that this market is a pure uptrend. So the next thing is for me to mark out my market structure and see if it has been broken. So I can decide to remove this in order to make my chart more neat. So I will zoom in a little bit and use this horizontal arrow to identify my market structure. But before that, let me explain something to you. So I'll delete it. So because this is an uptrend, we are expecting a higher high and a higher low. From here, this is a higher high, higher low, 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 depending on how you draw your own path. So, but from what I just showed you, you can notice that this is an uptrend. So, for you to draw your last market structure, you have to identify the last higher high, which is this, and the last higher low. So, I'm going to mark out this. This is my last higher high. Okay, I will go to the second one, mark out this. So this is my market structure. So if this market break this market structure to the downside, then I can confirm that this market is about to change a phase depending on the pattern, or is about to change a trend depending on the pattern. But just like you can see for now, this market has not broken this structure to the downside. So we are hoping that this market will still continue moving ahead. So because of that, we will be opting for a buy position. So once you have identified that the market structure is not broken from the higher time frame, then you can navigate to the lower time frame, which is 8 hours, to look at the details of what is happening in the market. You can mark out another market structure in case you see another structure that you want to work with. I think this is also the same structure, but this always take precedence based on in taking your decision. So let me clean up this. This particular video is not to teach you how to do technical analysis. I will personally record a course on that later, but I'm just giving you overview of how I conduct my own technical analysis. So after identifying the market structure, going down to the lower time frame to identify your market trigger, the next thing is for you to save your chart. So to save your chart, you just come to the right hand side here and click on save. So it will ask you for the name of this chart, the name that you want to give this chart. Normally I give like VS25 and then save it. So in case I refresh this page, let's say I refresh it, load back VS25. Let's allow it to load. So this is VS25. As you can see, the drawing I did has disappeared, but if I want to load back the chart, I can come here and click on load chart. As you can see, this one I saved. I can load it and continue with my analysis or the market to determine which decision to take. So after completing the technical analysis, the next thing is for you to place order. Just like I said before, you can't place order from this platform. If you After doing your technical analysis, you need to go to your MT5 app and execute your orders if you are trading CFD. But if you are trading binary option with Deriv, you need to go to your trader. So mine, I normally trade CFD, and I've done a separate video on how you can sign up with Deriv, create a synthetic indices trading account, and connect it to MT5. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can execute your order after your technical analysis on this platform and execute your order on MT5. So in case you have not signed up with Deriv, in order to get yourself ready for the next video, make sure you use the link in the description below. Sign up with Deriv so that in our next video, you are going to follow up on how you can execute your order based on your technical analysis from this TradingView interface. And that's all for this video. If you have any question, just leave it in the comment section below. I'll do my best to attend to it. So thank you and see you in the next video.